All right, language explorers, let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So cheer up. So cheer up, yes. Let's have a look. Like to be happier. Here we are. Perfect. Let's try that. Yes, there we are. Make someone or something happy. Yes, happy. Yeah, happy. Yeah. To make them happy. To cheer them up. Cheer up. I will cheer her up. This will cheer her up. Yeah. I'm going to cheer them up. Yeah, make them happy. Make her happy. Yeah. I will cheer her up with a story. Very good. They liked to be cheered up. That always cheers me up. They think it will cheer her up. It's possible. They think it will cheer her up. Yeah, it's possible. I think that doing that cheers him up. When he sees that, it cheers him up. When he sees that, it cheers him up. How cool is that? She cheered up over the weekend. Yes. All it took was some time away. Was some time away, and that cheered her up. Yeah, she feels better now. Yeah, how cool is that? The story is cheering them all up. Yeah, it's possible. Do you know what can cheer you up? Yeah, I know what cheers me up. I know what cheers me up. I know what makes me happy. Well, what about you? Soon they will know how to cheer themselves up. Yeah, so you have to understand yourself so you can then cheer yourself up when you need it. Yeah. Not everything can or will cheer you up. So you need to know what will. Yes. You need to know what will cheer you up. What will keep you happy in life. Yeah. Yeah. You can't go through life feeling sad and defeated. You have to cheer yourself up with achievements and working on your goals. Yes, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, cheer up. I feel cheered up when I work on my goals. Yeah, how cool is that? What makes you feel cheered up? What makes you feel? What cheers you up? What? Oh, okay. What cheers you up? I know what cheers me up. I know what cheers me up, but what about you? How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So can you use cheer up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me when you search English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search my name. Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.